You know, we know so we have a whole heap of people who buy lotto. We have a whole heap of people who buy them little cash pattern, them little sitting. How many drawers though? Hold on, man. How many drawers? No, about 4 drawers a day right now. About 4 drawers a day.
4 or 3.
It was generally 3, but me hear one sound to them I shot it to 4 drawers a day, so 4 drawers them are working right now. You never know.
God.
Yeah, man, I move from 3 drawers and gone to 4 drawers, man.
Thing a shot.
You never know. No, 4 drawers, Michelle.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, 4 drawers.
Early morning draws, you know?
You have a early morning draws and then like
a midday draws.
And like a 5 o'clock prime time draws and then draws about 7 and then a draw about 7 o'clock, you know.
Yeah.
But no, you can't say early morning draws. You have to say early morning draw.
Oh, yeah, well,
it's 1 draw, a midday draw.
Draws.
And about a 5 o'clock draw.
No more than 1 draws. Gotta know draws, man.
Oh, draws. Yeah, more than 1 draws.
About 4 draws.
But you don't have a time when so each draw are several draws.
Yeah.
Then what on? So you don't have no time when it's just 1 draw.
10 o'clock.
No man, them have a time when it's just cash pot them draw, man. Now what you tell me, some man?
10 o'clock.
Wait, which 10 o'clock?
Morning, 10:30.
I think I'm 5 now. Or a picture.
I won't answer. But no, them have a time when it's just, you know, them do them picture and them. What?
I think on the midday one.
You have a time when I just 1 draw. Well, it's true, me not really, you know.
Midday one.
I midday one.
Yeah.
But when you put them all together, it's just a draws them, right? And give it up people so popular, this thing is so popular and whatever. Much to the chagrin of the religious folks, of course, who remain vehemently opposed to any form of gambling. But Supreme Ventures, you know how them run the thing. And think them say them now go on with nothing upon Christmas. You see it? Nothing not run upon Christmas. No draws upon Christmas. So anybody who pre some draws upon Christmas, wanna get what the duck get. No pun intended. But loving the say better than we, you know. So again, people want to just know. Big up all of the uptown people that might play cash pot to and all of something there. Big up all who play super lotto and all them things there, you know. Large upon yourself for no cause. When I look it, we don't want to get lucky and shot the thing, you understand? Big up all who win already. Big up all of the cash pot people who believe, who really believe. Say, when you see the rake them and the signs them, that can't tell you which number. You understand? But loving dear, just want to remind you, say, when I love the thing, I want to look forward to the daily draws, but there will be no draws for Christmas. Play the tune.
Aye, Christmas I come.
Turn it up in the ears, man.
From no partner, raffle, lottery, all of them things that no wait till Christmas come. EY, no draws on Christmas Day.
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 Are you not hear Mr. Who say?
No draws on Christmas Day.
I'll just take a holiday.
No draws on Christmas Day.
I can deal without a pass. Anyway, me go me happy in the draws. Lottery and raffle me in there because one day me must get lucky in a draws. All me do when me sleep and wake, I pick number and I check out the rake. Me I go take a little 1 day break, drink up sorrel and eat food key, man. No draws on Christmas Day.
No draws on Christmas Day.
No draws on Christmas Day.
No draws on. Pull up with you, Chris, and bounce it back again. Line loving there upon them case again, man. Line loving there upon them case again, man. No draws for Christmas Day. Chris Cross from the top again, from the top, man. Chop.
Aye, Christmas I come. Start out to no business from no partner, raffle, lottery, all of them things that no wait till Christmas come.
And when the man say,
no draws on Christmas Day.
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 Are you not hear Mr. Who say?
No draws on Christmas Day.
I'll just take a holiday.
No draws on Christmas
I
Day.
can deal without a pass. Anyway, me go me happy in the draws. Lottery and raffle me in there because one day me must get lucky in a draws. All me do when me sleep and wake, I pick number and I check out the rake. Me I go take a little 1 day break, drink
Christmas Day.
No draws on Christmas Day.
No draws on Christmas Day.
Nobody ask what number play.
No draws on Christmas Day.
I'll just take a holiday. No draws on Christmas night and day without a pause. Anyway, me go me happy in the draws. Lottery and raffle me in there because one day me must get lucky in a draws. All me do when me sleep and wake, I pick number and I check out the rate. Me ever take a little one day break, drink up sorrel and eat food cake. No draws on Christmas Day.
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 Nobody ask what number play.
No draws on Christmas Day.
I'll just take a holiday.
No draws on Christmas.
Hey, no draws on Christmas Day.
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 Nobody ask what number play.
Oh, but Jesus. Well, remember, say my show is on Christmas Day. And I bet you say, any will play that song, yeah. I bet you say, any will play that song, yeah, my show, you're going to see some people, some of them run out on the mix-up carpet and say, yeah, and we're going to say, no, but I know that the song mean. Cause you know that just terrible for do that shit there, you know. You don't it. That would do it, man. See them running up. I say, no, I never that it mean. I never. And when we're going to say Christmas Day, you say, no, come here for your show. And thing and whatever. It's a good time for...
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can go so. Well, hey, the feminists them are gonna like that one, yeah. You know, German, the feminists them are gonna like that. Can you believe it, yeah? Check it. Woman marries herself in full wedding ceremony. Michelle say, huh? Woman marries herself in full wedding ceremony. This is in China. Yo, China star. Now, there's a context here because in Chinese culture and Japanese culture and some of the other Asian nations, if a woman reaching her 30s and not married, her life done, you know. You think it bad out there? When we say done, just like systematically, it's like, done. It's hard for them. It's rougher for them. Right? So, make her read the mix-up again. Woman marries herself in full wedding ceremony. It had all the elements of a wedding. The bride, white dress, diamond ring, guests, seating arrangements, professional photographer. The only thing missing was the groom. And not by accident. On November 16, 30-year-old office worker Chen Wei-yi married the love of her life. Herself. Chen Wei-yi. That's her name. The Taipei city-based woman, who is no longer single by her own admission, wanted to show other ladies who have hit their 30s without a manifested Prince Charming that they are not failures. You must learn to love yourself before you can love others, said Chen, who also plans to embark on a solo honeymoon to Australia after she quits her job as a study abroad coordinator to the land down under. Self-help platitudes aside, Chen explained that when a woman in Taiwan enters her 30s, getting married and having children becomes the main focal point among concerned family, relatives, and friends, making a single independent woman feel like a failure if she has none of those things. Chen explained that although many people freely express their love for others through flowers, chocolates, and expensive dinners, they are less inclined to pamper and shower the same love on themselves. Involving a full white dress, wedding invites, bridesmaids, groomsmen, and 30 guests who showed up at the Taipei City Banquet Hall Chen reserved, making it clear that she has had several boyfriends and relationships, some of which almost led to the altar. Chen described herself as neither unmarriageable nor against marriage to another person. She also considers this marriage non-binding, meaning she's free to marry someone else, but if that opportunity does not arise, at least she made the commitment to forever love herself. What do you think about this, Chris?
Oh, there's a problem when she ready for divorce.
No. She said it's non-binding.
Oh, so she can't divorce herself?
Well, anybody who can marry themselves can divorce themselves. If you're asking if the law recognizes it legally, that is something I'm unqualified to answer, but I would imagine. But yo, she had groomsmen, you know. That's the interesting thing. My thing is like, so what the pastor say?
Who she kiss?
No, you know.
Who she kiss?
Yeah.
She suck herself. When they say kiss the bride, she kiss her shoulder.
No, when she want her shoulder for lean on, how she do it?
What do you mean? What? But that is a point. She's saying that lean on your own shoulder. That women should stop thinking that, you know, that them life over and that they're failures. That's a term she used. You know, if them don't get married. Eh?
Breakfast in bed is not nice when you're the one doing the cooking and I eat it.
No, but I think she has a point here. And do not believe that this woman is a mad woman, because she has made it clear that she's basically making a statement. And she's doing it in dramatic fashion to send home the point. Jermaine, come on, Jermaine. You understand what the lady's doing. Her issue here is women being considered failures if they don't have children and if they're not married and they don't have a man when they're third. That's a whole heap of pressure, you know. And it's an unfair equation with respect to how they view women as opposed to how they view men. And the point she's making is at the end of the day, love your damn self. Ruth, not for many years when me I done my show, you always hear me say you can't love another until you first learn to love yourself. Anybody that listen to my show, I support this woman, and I don't think this one, whatever Michelle, whatever Jeremy, the whole out that could be.
But though you love yourself, you're not for married for sure the world say love yourself.
Yeah.
No, what I'm saying
maybe
is,
in a fair society.
no, she's doing it symbolically to send a message. Listen, we are goddamn reading it in Jamaica.
Oh,
you think
where I say, like,
exactly.
Oh, that's going to the church, go baptize.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So,
well, from that
so if she didn't just stand up, she's doing this to get the message out.
Okay.
Guys, she didn't just stand up over there and say, love yourself. Who the backside going to look for her? Nobody going to look for her.
Oh.
Nobody would have looked for her.
Put it like that.
If she said, love yourself, nobody now going to look for her. So the point I'm glad to understand is a sensible woman. But she's doing this symbolic, dramatic act, and revolutionary, I might add, to send a message. Okay, Jeremy, a signal with signal. Because we could have
who would the object that way they know?
Who would the object that way they who stand up?
You know, between them. You know.
Come back.
All right, well. All right, we have break because new style right now. We'll zoom. That was...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Well, the boss come up in another place, so we just want to know, say, an engagement and wedding mix up. But we just, well, a quick chat to Delos, say, 2 minutes, because we are making roll. Delos, where are some family?
But there, no.
You up in our place?
Yeah.
That's the word, man. Respect for the road, too, I think, boy. I know how you feel that we know, but we got the king of mix up over there. Ring up your name in that beer thing. But yeah, my pop. Your phone's supposed to blow up, no?
Wow.
Your phone's supposed to get mad.
Are you near Raga, you know?
No, say a word, man. Hey, may I tell you, say, how long now you give me that CD?
Good while, man.
A good while now you give me the CD, and I know, you know it going. People, when you go out there, you get CD album and
yeah, man, we know
I don't want to disrespect nobody still, but you know, say it's a talk show, it's not really a music show, but we pre the music thing on a serious level and thing, and I want you to know this. There's a lot I could say about it. I don't know who make a rhythm. I don't know who mix it. I don't know who produces it. I don't know if it's you do it or somebody else. I don't know whoever. But when we listen, you can't see say time and effort and thing put in on the thing for sort it out. Yeah. I just want to say congratulations to the eye. This thing deserves support. It deserves promotion. It deserves to put out there and thing because the thing shot. So how you think set up? Are you produce it? Are you deal with it?
No, I want to tell you say cash flow, you know.
Allah.
Them, yeah, man. Cash flow, we're bridging them from over Corville, man.
And them deal with it?
Yeah, man.
Now, so I've got to talk to them about doing 2 tunes. Hey, let me tell you something. I know that. Me can't do it, you know. But me know when something produce good.
Yeah.
Me know when something mix good.
Yeah.
Me know when something arrange good. Me know when something master good. Me can't do it. But when me hear it, me know it good. Like the instrumentation and thing and whatever and how them put in all of the way name the song them in the background and just make the thing balance and whole and think them know them I do. And think John me have got link. Them make me just say congrats. And the who all of your song them diverse. Me like that.
Yeah, we don't stick on one topic.
No, you don't stick on one topic. And you don't stick on one style either.
No.
And whatever. I mean, you have your signature sound, of course, but me like that you deal with different topics. Tanya Stevens always a talk about that, so the youth them need to, you know, expand the subject matter when them deal with it and so forth. And I just talk about you go kill a girl and done her and gunshot for a man and that's it.
Yeah.
You understand?
So
So,
going at the reasoning of the thing.
so what give the inspiration for that song? Yeah? Talk it through. Hold on, tell us. You get born, tell us. Tell us you get born. That chord
No,
is-
I want to tell you say, I want to be virgin by my phone for make a call. See it?
borrow your phone.
Yeah. For call one of him girl.
I want my devil.
I need to come up with sexy side height.
Hold on. Delos. You did that palm your virgin, no man.
But we never know. At them time never know. Them time never find out.
Okay. Mix up. Well, at that point that you find out, that's what the thing did say.
No, we always know say woman bad still, you know. Them good but them bad, you know.
Yeah, but me I say in terms of your
for
virgin.
find out say that, yeah.
Right, at that point
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
whatever thing.
Yeah.
So when you find out, that's what the thing said. How you do?
What for do?
You just fall back and go and use it, you
You
know.
listen to the song?
Eh? So wait, him the right half.
No man, I'm a virgin man.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that.
Oh.
Cut off, why?
I a virgin, I him that in the studio, yeah.
Eh?
I him see him coming at the studio with him
Baga
because
something,
me notice taking picture, Michelle, taking picture. You taking picture already. And we say mix up. And you know see when me ask Delos the thing, him a fan of Delos like, yo, no bother. When I turn on Michelle the microphone, when you
Never
say,
like when my giggle, pick up my
no, you don't see the hand like you tell Delos say, yo, no
A little cat.
bother. No bother explain none of this. Bossy. Hold on, man. Hold on, put a microphone over there, sir. Put a microphone over there. Yeah, but you can't turn on the microphone. Yeah, all right. Yo, what is your name?
Dario, my name.
Eh? What?
Dario.
Dario. Tell us how you link, your brethren, no?
Yeah.
Are you parry, no? And you know, so the man are defender to the max, no?
Yeah.
Dario, tell us that palm your own man.
I know me, matter, bro. I know me.
What you mean, I know you, man?
I know me, but it just, when it did happen, I was at just a big thing.
Oh,
you know, when I was that's why
okay.
I laugh still, and I said, the man really go radio with it.
me see what you say.
Yeah.
So, the thing, they kind of sensitive how we are.
Yeah, well, I would just laugh about
Laugh
it.
it and, but you know, really too want to rehash it and thing
Yeah.
because it may just stir up some wound and thing or whatever. And thing.
So you can delete them picture there.
Yeah, all right. I never him. Yo, somebody say, yo, Delos caught Jesus slippers. We reach a Tony Matter attack from one day. Say, yo, them wicked and them caught Jesus slippers. And think, so Delos,
Yeah.
but you don't have an album or anything out or whatever. But I'm sure you probably have like a compilation, a track that you could have easily put out an album.
Yeah, we have songs to put out the album. We're going to work on that before
Yeah.
the middle next year.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But prior to that, we only have 2 albums, but that was as a duo. That me and my brother.
Yeah,
A Soldier.
Right.
I know my brother, Conscience.
Conscience, right. Well, let me tell you something, man. You're remarkably talented. We are impressed. We play the tune. I have a fan wall of almost 79,000 people. So from all over the world, the people, them I say, them rate the tune, them rate you and thing, just as I had anticipated. So, you know, we're going to want you forward back into the studio, probably like sometime next week or sometime. I will hold a more extensive reason, but the people, them serious about them mix-up, so them want to go back to the phone line and start the mix-up and engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up and thing.
People come look for you.
But, yo, look how crazy people roll out for come sit there. No, man. So what you say, I know you? Talk it to Dario, I know you.
I know me.
Dario, you know say you love me, you go around me and Dario.
I know me.
Dario, tell us
I know
from your
him,
thing
man.
down.
No, man, I know
I know
him.
me.
I know him.
I'm not afraid to say me because I still feel
Yeah. So wait, Dario, you sing too?
Reggae, you have play me song and a ball out my name of that day, man. What do you, man?
Which one? We playing that, man. All right, now say a word, man. Yo, listen, we have to link up with the item and we'll like a proper reasoning because we can't really do it now because we're gone in at the mix-up time and the people are serious about them mix-up.
Yeah, I know them serious.
One call.
I just hear the thing and go on. And I say you have to run it.
Yeah, respect. We have a link now. We have a dub.
Yeah.
Well, I can play the dub quick. We can play the dub quick before them cut. I can hear what go on, right?
Yeah,
Mine, I don't mean. Mine, I don't mean. Let me hear it. Turn you.
Hey, man, son, man. Ragashanti, big up yourself, you know, Dallas I represent to the fullest. A bag of mix up and a bag of something. But you don't know, so we are real gallus. No girl can make us suicidal. Dog. What the Raga begging virgin a call and the woman number come up in the phone as baby. And when time she answer the call, she say, man, the radio now, so you can come over.
Yo, I will give you a joke. I don't want to laugh about. You don't think this is funny? You don't think this is funny? You think this is... Play about the children.
Hey, man. Ragashanti, big up yourself, you know, Dallas I represent to the fullest. A bag of mix up and a bag of something. But you don't know, so we are real gallus. No girl can make us suicidal. Dog.
Never.
What the Raga begging virgin a call and the woman number come up in the phone as baby. And when time she answer the call, she say, man, the radio now, so you can come over, honey. Him not say none, him hang up the phone. Give himself a little time to settle down. Hey, we not really know where you da do. And one thing Raga do, him a go look another girl. Him a go look another lady, someone to call him baby. Cause he stand up well firm on the ground. Him not fall in love and him not gonna make no girl driving crazy. Another girl, him a go look another lady. To call him baby, more than a million girls in this whole wide world. Him just make one girl mad. She coulda good like what she can't make him suicidal. Raga naga war with no man over no girl. One thing him know she is no longer fame girl. She a feel girl. Some man woulda drop the rope and fling round them neck. Raga ride and make a scroll through him phone and check. Kind of girl love him off and them walk connect. So him not gonna lose no weight over no yam out him a fret. Him a gonna look another girl. Him a gonna look another lady. Someone to call him baby. Cause him stand up well firm on the ground. Him not fall in love and him not gonna make no girl driving crazy. Another girl. Him a gonna look another lady. To call him baby. More than a million. Girls in this whole wide world. Him just make one girl mad. Hey, enough man blow with them brain. Can a girl like you and next man brain? Raga, I wonder if them and they insane. Now go tell you same heart, now go feel it. But the highest grade and a new girl and time we heal it. Him believe in prenup before no ring up and him finger signature fi sign up. Baby girl, you take care of you until the end of time come. If you ever cheat on him, girl, you not gonna even get her. You not gonna look another girl. You not gonna look another lady. Someone to call him baby. Cause he stand up well firm on the ground.
Tell us, me not be arrogant and say this and that, but me I tell you say that song you go shout out. And it not go shout out only because Raga play it or Raga dance it or whatever. That shout out because you work hard on it, it sound good, it relevant. People love it. Them love it, you see it. So we just want to give thanks and blessings. Big up your brother, Conscience, anyway, him the large up himself. Big up the whole of the doing the part, Linky, Brook Valley, Sherlock, and the whole of the men's the large up on themselves straight. You see, maximum respect, Corville, Linky, and all surrounding areas, saying New Haven, Washington, Ghana, Patrick City, and the whole of us, saying 6 Mile, and then go down the line, down at Riverton, and all the men's, Calalo Bay, and them places. Large up on yourself. Get what we're saying now. We love one and step out them way there and I do the thing. You understand? So we want you shot international. We want your thing just go and blaze out across the world. And you make money and feed the family and take care of your girl. And you out to everybody. You see? And buy more phone for check. You understand? All right, my family. Blessings and respect here. But we have a link back next week here. We want to look forward next week and hold a proper reason here. Sometime. All right? Blessings and thing. That was Delos. The real artist, see that we have him link and everything set on. We have the dub and bass sitting and everything. Alright, we are going to the phone line right now. We are going to the phone line right now. And think, I could bring in some caller. Like I have this black thing here from a German. And something. Voila.
On Facebook already.
Oh?
And me say quick.
I use say quick. Them picture them on Facebook. Them not know you're dangerous, Michelle. Them not know you're dangerous, Michelle. Yo, Dallas, man, tell that woman she in trouble right now because a crazy woman are going to fling out sitting upon you. You understand? Because them love you half them way there. You see? Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Engagement or wedding mix-up. Hello.
Big up, Raga.
Yes.
Raga, me love. This is your link, Patago link from Mandeville. Me love how you, me love see you up morning time this morning.
Oh, yeah.
We do it. Did I go miss it? I want to you. Me love your retirement. Lord, Raga, you turn me on every time. You make me stand up like wood.
I lie, you tell. For real.
You make me go on, and you make me sure, Raga, don't go there, sir. But me love the music a while ago. Me no call about no mix up. Me go watch and big up my friend out of Mandeville. They were engaged for 20 years and I know she can't marry.
Your friend?
Yes, we are engagement ring for 20 years.
Married. Which girl are we engagement ring for 20 years and I and all now them can't marry? I want
me don't know what the man no want that, but you know left the man and you don't know. Them get a little old house to live in, huh?
Yeah.
Them go and live in the old house and the man no want come out with parents. So the man buy all him matey out a road, dress and thing, and she find out and want to go mash up the matey dress, huh?
Yeah.
So the matey just open the door and say, come in, come touch that, make a down you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Raga, here we go now. Me don't know not much about it, you know, but I'm good that no know because them I did my friend one night time, but me kind of slide from the friend thing.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Yeah.
But we just want bigger up still with our engagement ring for 20 years now and nothing can go on about.
All right, I said out the large about the answer, put the finger, she better careful all the finger and I go drop off and right now the product.
Raga,
You see?
I tell you, me just go look another man.
You have a look another man.
Yeah.
What you say? You have a look another man. What you say the tune bad, don't?
The tune. Him need for the one for the woman, them, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Dallas say you have the ladies them and say you need for the one for the woman them.
Yeah.
So when you say you are gonna look another man, you are gonna look another baby.
Man.
That's that word. Bless up here.
Bless up, Raga.
You take care of yourself, yeah.
Yeah.
See that the people that read up Dallas tune like that. Say, hey, film name I gonna shut out, you know. God, you know, man. Yo, Lang, put Dallas on Sting. Lang, put Dallas on Sting. Put Dallas on Sting. I bet you Dallas the on Sting. Heavy D, Big Mac, Lang, Supreme. The whole I want to put Dallas on Sting and don't make me on in a war or nothing or whatever. Any of Dallas at the on Sting, rather Sting, nah, keep. Me say, watch the microphone they drop down. Any of Dallas at the on Sting, nah, keep this year, that me say. And if Lang will have a problem with that, tell him to come try box me. Of course he could if he wanted to. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga,
What's up?
first time caller, long time listener.
To the world, baby. So what go down here?
Yeah, me the tall brown. Anyway, you there, me there in Jamaica with you, you know.
I lie.
Tall and brown, me that backyard. Anyway, you there, me there with you. Me love you, Raga.
I'm love you too, baby. Me love you.
West Kingston.
West Kingston. What you say you're tall and brown?
Yes,
Oh.
come and look for you all in a parade.
I'll not parade.
Yeah, man.
That's a word, man, because you know Raga is nothing without people like Kuna support him, you know. So we
Yeah,
give
like
thanks.
that. Oh, you love Raga so, mama. Me say me love you, Raga.
A blessings, baby. A blessings in your put us. Blessings.
Yeah,
Blessings.
Bashment to talk to you from Beeson Street. Take care, you hear?
Bashman from Beeston Street.
Yeah,
Large
man.
up yourself.
You have a little bar at Beeson Street.
Well on. Beeston Street, Spoiler side or West Kingston side again? West Kingston side.
Yeah.
West Kingston.
West Kingston.
All right, now see our word here.
Sorry.
Regent Street, Wellington Street. You see it large up on the cell, Pink Lane and all the men's there. See Tivoli Garden and the whole out in West Kingston there. We have a rate on the light and anything off on North Street, Charles Street and the men's there. Large up on the cell. Give me a next caller. Good afternoon. Hello. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our sitting. Welcome back up in our sitting. We have Leng on the phone. We have Leng. Bring in Leng there for me. Isaiah Leng, what you say?
Yeah, man.
Isaiah Link, I'm a bridging. I'm why you know, say, any of me are your power and anybody step to your wicked, me I defend you straight because I know, say, you do the same for me. I saw how things said, you see it? And I use a Sting, 20 odd years going strong. And all this time, me I work and I work as Sting and a MC Sting, I know it. Me ever ask if I put an artist on a show yet? Never.
No, never.
Well, we have an artist, me I ask you for put him on the show. I mean, I want you to know from you, you know. But Sting now keep. Delos, Conscience Brother.
Conscience Brother?
Yes. Delos, D-E-L-U. Delos, D-E-L-U-S.
Delos.
Delos.
But him work Sting once already, I suppose.
Him work Sting. Okay, fine. Me want him work Sting this year again. Because him have a tune, we have match up the place.
I just want to play it for the audience now for a while.
What that?
So I'm bringing 10 more people over there.
Me no hear it, sir.
You can play that song for the audience now as well.
No. You obviously weren't listening to the show, so you don't know what just transpired. Okay? You don't know what. And listen, don't raise your voice off of me. Don't raise your voice off of me because I'm more ignorant than Adams. So, like, what you say, everything locked for Sting?
Yeah, man, everything locked, man. Everything locked so far. We you know, the 13 Warriors buzzing on the street. The street is buzzing. We really want those 13.
Well, you said the thing I got shut out.
Yeah, I was shot, man.
Right, I smell I have some mix up in it already in the car. We always say Beanie and Bounty go through them, you know, them old school class thing when them used to go out and beer sitting.
Yeah, from then until now.
Papa Jesus.
You know
that I go sick. But anyway, we're going to talk to you differently about it about sometime next week and so forth. But we just want to confirm it's a Delos step on the show this year.
Yeah, man, Delos. If Raga says so, go say no.
All right, Papa. We want people to know that. Don't say a word. And think you eat breakfast and morning, eat food from morning.
Yeah, we have lunch and we have breakfast and lunch. Almost dinner time now.
Are you all by that certain hotel right now?
Oh, yeah, you know that.
You're there by that, sir. What is an office? Because we don't want nobody get it twisted. It's an office down at the hotel. You understand?
Yeah, man. Just the office here. And it's really nice around here.
All right. Well, big up Ph.D, big up Big Mac and thing, and big up the hotel where the office there, which is a Pegasus. Large up yourself and thing. And you don't know, so look at linkages, look more. Here, sir.
All right, link up.
Isaiah Lang from Supreme Promotion, the Sting family and thing. And I don't know, say, Sting I got shot this year, see me and thing. Proper respect. And there you have it, people. It's confirmed. Delos step on Sting this year. Mad sitting. Okay, to the phone lines. We go back to our mix-up right now. I want some mix-up. A mix-up one. Engagement mix-up. Our wedding mix-up. You know, so somebody did send me one mad engagement mix-up and thing. I wait there. Let me not see it, you know. I wait. Yeah. Hear that mix up, yeah. Bless up, Raga. True story. I used to work at a factory in Temple Hall, and there were two workers who were dating for about 6 years. Everyone knew of their relationship and thought they were the perfect couple. They eventually got married, and the company paid for their honeymoon, which was at the Ritz in the Cayman Islands. No, Raga, you see, when they were on their honeymoon, the man's other wife, whom he had married for 2 years, came to the workplace asking for him as he did not come home for the past couple of days. His wife was so distressed and worried and had reported him missing to the police, only to learn that he was on his honeymoon with his new wife. She said it was not possible as she is his wife. Rather, a true story. So if you want name and the workplace, link me. Darling, I would take the name and the workplace if it's somebody well known because we keep files around here, you know, so and thing. But yo, a proper wedding mix up that, you know. You understand? Wedding and engagement mix up in a one and thing. The brother a date a woman in workplace for 6 years and everybody know about it and seal it up to the point when them get married, them not say that was like a no-brainer. The company will pay for them honeymoon. Ritz hotel, big hotel in the Cayman Islands. Only if you see after the man gone on the honeymoon, a woman turn up and say she can't find her husband. She report him missing. What happened to him? Which husband? So and so. No, but he married and gone on honeymoon. No, him can't marry me and my wife. But, hey, woulda pay for that, so. Woulda pay. Engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up. And that would happen. Engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, what's up?
Oh, I'm there.
I'm there.
Big up yourself, man. You see?
That's say a word, man.
Yeah, I'm want to load up to somebody for me, daddy.
Yeah, don't call her name, here.
Yeah, me not call her name. Me just want to load up a man where make your boss lock down inside the mirror and because my TV boss breadfruit killing on time and Irish.
The boss locked down the site because the man a thief the boss breadfruit skelly on time and Irish.
Yeah, said so you go.
Oh, poor Jesus. Anyway, so all right, mix up, big up to him. What the next one, you know?
Yeah, and this said that Umbro and I'm virgin I saw me catch my start out in cousin. And when I say when I start out in cousin, he say because I'm last cousin.
No. It's not my first cousin. I'm say this is my last cousin, the last one. Then forget brush up, man.
Yeah. Because I got him believe that he think when they say cousin wild good soup.
Cousin wild good soup. You see it,
yeah.
you see it. I'm saying, oh yeah, my last cousin, man. So you don't know. Last one, you have to bless them up, you know. And yeah, man, then let's go choose. Yeah, all right, Papa, don't say a word here. Yeah. Manners and respect. Here we go. Good afternoon again. Engagement and wedding mix-up. Engagement and wedding mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am doing quite fine.
I don't have a mix-up, but I called to say you made my day this morning when I saw you on TV.
Oh, thank you.
TV so early. You look so sexy.
Oh, for real?
Yes, I like that shirt. Can I get that shirt?
The shirt over now, man. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, how
and your shoes? What kind of shoes is that?
The shoes, yeah. But you know, see them I done me and I said that my shoes did have on too much dust on it.
Can't have up more mash up on dash a long time.
No, man, I'm a friend them, man. That's why I carry them a job problem, man. No, man, I good shoes. I new shoes and sitting, you know. And
I call you to tell my friend Harji all the while she talk about Raga, and she never turned up one of your show.
This is who?
So I wanted to invite her Christmas Day.
Okay.
To come out to your show.
This is who?
Janet. This is Janet from Cayman's Garden.
Janet from Cayman's Garden. So who you want to come out to the show now?
Audrey Grant.
Audrey Grant, you need to come out to the show on Christmas Day at the National Arena. Mixup An Blenda Ragashanti show. Make sure you're there, Audrey, or else I just may have to just put you over my knee and give you a gentle spanking.
Right, and she have the bottom to take the spanking to her.
Okay, well, she have a good spanking bottom.
What?
What is a good spanking bottom? Oh, a good spanking bottom?
Because our bottom is not mortgage. She have a big bottom, can one lick.
Okay, she have one who can take up a slap well, no?
Right.
All right, that's our word here.
Right.
Tell her
so
she better come.
Your good work until the 25th.
Until the 25th, darling. You take care also, all right?
Big up to my co-worker from Cayman Park.
All right, then blessings.
From Janet.
All right, then enough respect. Big up Audrey Grant, and that was Janet there just now. Here we go to the phone line. Engagement and wedding mix-up. Who wants some mix-up and engagement? Who engage long? Who give ring and take back ring? Who take back bed and all them something after engagement pop up? Who engage 2-3 different people? Who turn up a wedding and nobody no did it? Who got the wrong church a wedding and all them something there? May I come there, Michelle? May I come there? Who got the wrong church a wedding and all them thing there? You see it? At them mix-up the one. To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
I want an advice. I'm kind of nervous. Maybe I try to talk before the man come.
Yeah.
Anyway, in a situation which me don't know if to do. We have been living good for quite some time. We even used to listen to you in the night when you did up on the other station and listen to the rebroadcast and laugh and all of that.
Right.
All of a sudden, me I turn in a girl who him no want. Because me I listen to Raga, and Raga discussing and all of that. Everything we do these days is a problem. And if I talk about marriage, I don't think I want to marry to him. I don't think I want him anymore. And listen, everything is, let me try to get everything in before he come, he soon come.
Okay.
The thing that made me feel extremely upset,
yeah,
he hit me. He has been hitting me for quite some time, but this one is certainly different because somebody else was here.
When they say hitting you, what kind of hit them?
I don't hear you.
Oh, when they say hitting you, like a push or box or...
He top a car fight and he's been beating me.
Beat up like,
constantly.
oh, tell me what him do to you. Tell me what him do to you.
Well, I can't hear out of one of my ears because he has been hitting me in it constantly.
On the regular thing I reach you right now?
Yes, regular thing.
Well, you need to take yourself out of that situation.
Oh.
You need to find somewhere to go, if it's even for catch and whatever, you know. If I'm a beat you, them way there, you can't manage it.
We have a child together.
Huh?
We have a child.
No, but darling, so because you have a child together, you're going to stay there and make him beat you?
All right. Thank you very much. That's what everybody says.
Yeah, you cannot make it. You see, when mothers talk like that, you know, and don't believe I'm being insensitive to your situation, because it's easy for people on the outside for just tell you things and whatever, because them not in it, you understand? You know, because you're a mother, you know, so that are the father, your youth and all them, you know, so it's a hard thing for you to just go take yourself out of it and thing. But
say I'm sorry and give me this money and buy this and that, and say I'm sorry and he won't do it again and all of that.
And then he beat you again?
No, he hasn't.
He hasn't?
No.
No, but you say he has been hitting you. That's what you say.
That's from last week. Last week was when somebody was here, and I can't get over that one. Because it is getting worse. Somebody was here. And
when do beat you or just box you or get one lick in front of
them? Box up, shove in the wall.
In front of somebody else?
Yes.
And let me ask you this. You think he's going to do it again?
I have no idea.
No. You know, say you have an idea?
I don't know.
No, you have an idea. Do you think he'll hit you again?
Well, it's been going on for like 8 months now, so why should it stop now?
You see,
I have no clue if it's going to stop.
You are responsible for your safety. And you're responsible for your child's safety. Now you need to think carefully. You know, he's beating you and you can't manage it. So, you know.
But we have been through so much, and then people, I can't even go to that part because people are going to know who talking, so I can't tell you all of that details.
Right.
Oh God. Anyway, thank you very much, Rag, and I love your show. Okay. And I like Michelle.
You like Michelle?
Yeah, she's nice.
Now listen to me, you have enough problem for your head right now.
You make me laugh though. Yeah.
All right then. Well, if
I love that song.
You love the song. You love the Della song. You love the Della song.
The first me I hear it.
It's the first I hear.
Know somebody named Della.
Thousands of people been because we have a huge internet following, and thousands of people have been saying, one, they never know of him.
I never know him.
And two, they never know of the song.
That song is nice.
But you love the song.
Yeah.
All right, we have put the song out there, you know, and thing. And I just want people to know, because sometimes people get it twisted. All him do him give me a CD and me like the song. I'm going to say, you know, said I youth deserve some promotion because the song shot.
Yeah,
and him never, me not take no money or anything from people. And tell whatever. You understand? Me just like the song. No, but you know, the people I don't do them thing. I'm not going to judge anybody else. I just want people to know, say, I just like me like the song.
I'm like a DJ.
You like Chris Cross?
Yeah.
All right, then.
And very sexy.
Chris Cross, very sexy.
Yeah.
All right, then. But
bye-bye.
All right, then. You take care, yeah? Oh, why? I tell you now, if you're in a situation where somebody beat you every day, you have to just start get creative and creatively take yourself out of it. Yeah. See that? Here we go. Good afternoon. Engagement or wedding mix-up. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes. What's up?
Long time caller, long time listener, first time caller.
All right. Well, so what's going on
I just want to big up the wife that have her married ring showing up on her finger, and her husband sell to him to cash the gold.
Tambourine! What you say? The wife I show a married ring on her finger, and the husband sell him married ring for cash for gold. Oh, man.
Yes,
that man. And she walk on the hype with fear one door. I'm mad sitting that mad sitting that one the shot. We like that one there. We like it. All right, blessings here.
Yes, sir.
You can't imagine how she look on the ring when my husband give me. Look on my ring when my husband give me. They turn to the husband. So when you ring them, where she gear? You want some of that pass out of LOJ Plaza out of Spanish Town, you know, and some youth. You would say, oh, give you a 10-pack for that. I'm going to turn my back, man. I should look here, 10 packs. Give me our next caller. Quick. Sit down. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga. You know, my turkey neck bone up because I live on food and wait for you.
Your turkey neck bone up?
Yes.
Oh,
shit. We're going to pick up the girl.
Yeah.
Where they were the man for 5 years and the man walk out for and go marry to somebody else and come back and tell her, say, the wedding not gonna last, the marriage not gonna last for 6 months, so she must just wait for him and she still has 30 months.
Well, so she there with him for 5 years?
Yes, Raga.
Him just left and go married somebody?
Go marry somebody else and come back and tell her, say, the marriage not gonna last more than 6 months. So when it mash up in 6 months, yeah. Come back to she.
So she must just wait?
She must just wait.
She just wait. And she did there wait, no?
Yes, Raga.
Dear me, dear. I brother there player. The brother know who him want marry there, man, but him knows him no want give up that little dog and ring the on the side. You see it?
Yes, sir, I want pick up the lady.
Yeah.
Come on my yard.
Yeah.
Come rent the room for $8,000. But you live her yard with her husband. But you rent the room on my yard. Now, of course, start out her bonner, man.
Oh, poor Jesus, she live with her husband.
She live with her husband, rather.
And rent a little outside room quietly.
Yes, rather.
But you see, them always say a man do them things, and you say a woman do them things too.
Yes, rather. Every night she drive in, then they see the man drive in. Then after 12 o'clock, like 8 o'clock in the night, them drive in together.
Yeah.
And then after 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, what them drive out and gone. So she gonna see her yard and him gonna see me yard.
What you now say? And she rent the room separate from the house where she live with her husband.
Yes,
and she and the bonner man shut it in another room there, whatever.
Yes, Raga. And it's like cheaper than pay hotel fee, so she just pay $8,000 for the month for the one room. Start out when she wants to start out and then she want
No, $8,000 for the month because on average, I would think, I have heard that it's somewhere around that range per room, you know. Feel like a respectable hotel, you have to have at least $8 grand or $10 grand. So if she have pay $8, but wait, she have to furnish a room, though.
And one bed she can't come around. One bed.
So she does
one little double bed.
She does fling a double bed in there.
One little double bed, Raga.
Because that's all she need in there, don't it, well? That's all she need in there, one bed, no?
Yes, Raga, but look at the mix up. You know part of it, no?
Yeah.
She got my grandfather church, you know.
Yeah.
She said my grandfather said she a Christian. Yeah, the part I know. The other night she come and she sexy up in her Raga, bathe in the bathroom, put on her tights and sexy blouse and push up breast and bare things.
See that?
And my grandfather sit down on the veranda Raga with her Guinness in one hand, and well, my grandfather and I pray with the next hand.
She have Guinness in her one hand.
Yes, Raga.
And well, I pay your grandfather and I pray.
Shall we put the
Shall we put the bonner man?
Yeah, and she asked me to open her.
So she asked you for open the Guinness. So she open the Guinness and then use the other hand when I hold the Guinness and I pray for your grandfather.
I pray with my grandfather.
So, so why she wait for the bonner man? She's saving her soul. She's doing the Lord.
Anyway, I'm near you, right on the road from you.
All right. That's our word. Here, blessings here.
Big up yourself. I love you very much.
I love you too, sweetie. I love you too.
Bye.
Okay, Belly, just say you have a mix-up here. Is that engagement mix-up or a wedding mix-up?
No, man, it's an engagement mix-up.
Okay, you almost an engagement mix-up.
But I have to tell it from, I have to make you know where to come from. Say I have a man, right?
Yeah.
I have 2 baby mother, but 3 kids.
Yeah.
The first child and the third child are for one mother.
Right.
The middle child are for a next mother.
Right.
All right. Him engaged to the middle mother, right? The mother for the second child.
The mother for the second child, right.
For 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years and something,
Yeah.
live with her and thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And he milk her, because she work at one bank. He milk her. He buy apartment, he buy car, he buy family van.
When you say milk her, she buy these things?
She buy it.
Okay.
She fear money. Remember, she work about good, proper position.
Yeah.
Milk her, wicked. When everybody else says, Lord, oh, you can't marry it.
And him did I send her upon the next woman.
I send her upon the next woman where just a fear first child feed him. And a foreign
so
she
it's
have
a
the
third
baby.
baby mother this?
It's a third baby mother.
And she got
and the second baby mother money take her mind that one day. And him buy family van and car. Say no, which baby are driving at the family van they know. big mix up.
And him engaged to the one with the second pitney. After him engaged to the one with the second pitney, him go breed the one who had the first pitney again. And
no man, not the one.
Remember, say she had the second
Yeah.
Poor Jesus, she might go on. But can I ask you something?
What?
Why when Jamaican woman attack and I'm excited about something on the gun? Oh, no. Well, I want to get that. I know it's a learned thing. Like if we're not going something, I'm saying, damn, I want to do that thing that I want to go on this.
I just like when you have to lick the leg too.
Yeah.
I just want them thing that if you not do it, nah, you know.
Like you get here, go, me said, and when I'm at and when I'm getting, I'm going to tell you something, go on. Okay, give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
What's up?
What go on with you?
They am a king.
But the song I shot in Raga, wicked.
Why is it the Dallas tune I go hard?
Yes, but me married 10 years now. She married Saturday. The husband leave got foreign Sunday and she not seen back for 10 years now.
She married a Saturday. The husband.
And the man left out Sunday and
the
she not seen back on now. 10 years now.
And 10 years now she does. No,
yes,
sir. No, sir. Papers enough more than work a long time. You know, sir, she get left, no? You know, sir, she get left, no?
Aye.
Yeah, right, Papa. Blessing.
Yes.
What you think, Michelle? You don't think she get left?
She get left, man.
No, man, 10 years. Even 5 years workable, you know.
Wait on the Lord.
No, you see, the point is, she did seem within the 10 years.
Yeah.
She seem at least 1 or 2 times a year. But if she not seem for the 10 years, she can't get a divorce easy.
Skype alone can't work.
Skype alone can. Poor thing, she probably don't even have a computer. She don't even know what is that. You can't marry somebody Saturday and him leave Sunday and then you don't see him 10 years after or whatever. I bet you let go that, man. Go find somebody else. Go look Bruce Gold. No, Bruce Gold is married already. Go look somebody else, you know. Renata Di Cordova, Valentina Adams probably is available. Okay, we're going to look a break right here. We'll soon forward again and come back. To the phone line we go engagement and wedding mix-up. Or mix-up involving engagement when people get engaged and broke it off or engaged for long and this and that and that what. I want some wedding mix-up, you know, who their wedding pop down, who is them body in a wedding, or who jump asleep in a wedding, or which pastor mash up the wedding, who married 3 times and 4 times and all them drama there. Who want them mix up there, you understand? You see it? Okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
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 Yes, hello.
Hi, brother. How are you?
Why, but I give thanks. And you?
Yeah. You look so nice on the TV this morning, man.
What do you look like the whole hour to watch CVM at sunrise this morning?
Everybody I watch you, my dear.
All right. That's the word, but we give thanks. I did enjoy myself, you know. And sit there. Yes.
And you want to mix up?
Yeah.
Engagement mix-up.
Yes.
You have 2 friends, right? Got the same church. And one of my friends, one of them, we have a boyfriend, and she engaged to the guy, you know.
Yeah.
And I said, all right, I think them will look good together.
Yeah.
And them will last.
Yeah.
But my other friend come and say, you know, something like that you there, I want him. But I said to her, you know, so you can't get him though because I'm engaged to that one day.
Yeah.
And she said, that not stop me.
Right.
Anyhow, it seemed like the guy now start going with the other girl.
Which one? The one will like him off and step to him?
Yeah, the one will like him off.
Yeah.
And then things start going and the girlfriend find out. And you know what she do? She take off the engagement ring and dash away in a bush. And the guy come out of the car and go look for the ring, you know. And guess what happened?
Don't tell me,
the ring pulls up on the other girl.
On the other. Yo, me do it sound cool in our car and go to the other girl, but she should have got dash it away. You must have said, yeah, me know she not use feet, yeah, man. So better.
Can't believe it, Raga.
So him going at the bush, got the
ring on her finger, and I think that the man would have at least buy one different ring for her. Him put on the same old ring on the girl hand.
So what you think? What you think? Say she not have ambition, she careless because him give her a ring there, she go take it. No, me ask.
Me mind change from that still in a Raga because she's still there with the guy, you know. They must be all married, so the ring no say no.
Oh, the ring no say no, because they married and them make life.
The man, so them still. But that's a bigger up.
No, but well on. So initially when it happened, she go take the ring. No, you never did that give her no ratings though. initially, when him just give her the ring, when him take her from the other one, or the other one dash in the bush, and him go take up that same ring.
When I look at it, because my friend showed me before, you know.
Yeah.
And then I look at me and I say, but hold on there.
Yeah.
This look like amnesia me I have. Deja vu.
Deja vu. Yeah. But you said they're married now and everything are going good, do it. Everything are going good between them.
Everything all right with her now, man.
Okay, see.
Them live them life, them fine and nice.
Okay.
The other one live fair life too.
But what you think now about a woman now who say a man, I want the man, and you tell them woman, say, no, the man engaged to your friend and she says she not business at a man that she want. Step to the man, get the ring where the other girl in have. And hold on, and she end up with a place that she's living happily ever after with the man right now. But what you think about a woman like that who see a man and say that is fear, man, and she not business if him engaged? What you think about that?
Well, I don't like it, you know, but a woman know what them want and that them I go for.
So if a woman see a man and she knows the man that she want, even if the man that they with her next woman and all engaged to a woman, she have a right to still go after the man. Now that right?
No, because me not think so because the property start get marked.
No, but oh, you not think so? She end up with the man and the two of them happy and them happy. May I ask you the two of them happy?
Well, it just depends still.
It depends.
It just depends. Yes.
No, but I am asking you, do you think that in general, if somebody see somebody who them like, and that is a person them knows that them going to have a happy life with, them have a right to step to that person, and whether them married or them engaged?
No, rather, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Okay. So I better them leave the person who them know them are going to be happy with because a person that they with somebody else and going to find somebody else who them probably not going to happy with.
Exactly. You can't grow big feel love that that's somebody they so.
You can find the other one where you're not going to happy with, right?
You can't grow feel love the person.
All right, then. You hear what you said then. All right, then. Blessings here.
And you bless up yourself here, Raga.
Let's say a word, man. I respect you.
And my friend Unique, she always a listen, you know, but right now she can't listen, you. She's in Texas right now, so just big her up to me.
No, she can't listen on the internet, you know.
Yeah, but her computer got crashed or something like that.
Oh, her computer crashed at Texas. All right, then. So like, she should get a new one. Yeah? All right, then. Cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Whoa.
Why am I listening to Michelle, you know?
Yeah.
Why she broke out, you know, my virgin.
You see, I'm telling her, who don't understand what I go. Broke out. I saw she done long time.
All right, so it just come out.
It's so she done long time. We just know now. Why? We make root chicken. Now we make Michelle chicken.
It come out. It come like you step on a cockroach and come out.
Exactly. Then a long time. See, Root just give me a finger a while ago. Root just give me the finger. Right? Root just give me the finger a while ago.
Oh, boy,
Middle finger.
Root? No, sir.
Yeah, you see it? You see it? Wait, how old is?
Go, Ruth.
Maurice.
All right, Maurice. So what you say, Papa?
Yeah, what no?
Yeah.
We were wedding a couple years ago.
Yeah.
This brother a foreign of him girl out and thing. So anyway, she there with a man out there.
Yeah.
So him never know so she and the man with that thing.
Yeah.
So him come down and him when him get married, him have the man on the program for toast the bride.
Hold on. The man where she there with him never knows that she there with him, right?
No, because him live a foreign.
And then him come out here married her and him put that man up on the program for toast the bride.
Yeah, because it was him brethren still enough.
Yeah, I'm brethren. So I'm brethren did that service him man out here when him there foreign.
Anyway, when the time come for the brethren, get the toast, him kind of half drunk, you know?
Yeah.
Them say, when you lost a woman for cook, see how they? When you lost someone to keep your house clean, see how they? And when you lost a woman to keep man with you, see how they?
At that point, everybody in the reception go, huh?
No, almost everybody didn't know, say, man, she there look like a man.
Oh.
I don't know, so they wouldn't, everybody start roll, man. I tell you, man. Real something, you know.
A real together.
Yeah, man, real something.
Real. You see all me right there, so now. You know when big laugh come out, you hold it to you there, I would have me that, you know, man. I would have, me couldn't even look on the groom right there, so me that feel look everywhere, because any of me look on him and pop up. Any of them look on him, it done right.
Everybody laugh because I know person that laugh was the guy that get a speech because I'm half drunk, you know?
Yeah, I'm half drunk. I
don't even know. I tell the truth, you know?
When you want a woman, when you want a woman who can cook, is she that right? That's the bride. When you want a woman who can... What is the second one?
Keep your house clean.
Keep your house clean, is she that right? That's the... And when you want a woman who can keep a man with you, and she's here, man. So God bless her. She's very generous with the nookie.
Catch you later.
All right, let's say a word here.
Cool.
Mothers. Mad. Yo, big and serious, you know. There has been some legendary toast at wedding where people just say some things with them know what I say.
Sacrifice.
No. Hey, but now I'm wedding. I hear when I said the groom's reply, I saw it name. And the little wretch get up, you know. In the most eloquent voice, I said, I didn't want to do this. But when, I didn't call her name, so she did Sandra. But when Sandra's father came and convinced me, you know, that I had to do this if I were to stay in the business with him, I realized that this was a partnership that I had to work. You hear what the man said? When the bride father come tell him, say, you have to do this. If you go and stay in running the business, the man say, realize this. But he must say it's sweet, doing it like, you know, we belong together.
So it's the same thing with the youth of the way the man when him to take off the garter and go up under the dress. Him say, no, make somebody else come do it. And him not even dig up on honeymoon.
A lie.
Them say, oh.
Him say, make somebody else come take off the garter.
As in go up and him wife for him just
and
married
wife with him head and go take off the garter. I want to that you, them don't know the 100. Him never go a wedding before. Him
just a married.
Him just a married. And him
say, yo, I can't do this. Somebody come here, come take it out for me.
He want to ride man go take off the garter there. And have him wife there. Yo, you know somebody take me up on that honeymoon. Now you take money. Him to take off more garter. Him to take off more. No, but hey, some people say something. One next wedding, this a foreign. And a boy get up. And him a talk about the girl. And said, let's say the girl here, Catherine. But him go school with the girl, you know. Yeah, you know, when Catherine was running around in college with all those guys every night. I said the husband flash out and look at him. Then the time she engaged right through. Hey, now I'm a brother tell them about that one there, you know. Them freezing them, man. Everybody freezing them. This was happened like 7 years ago and until this day. And them still married, you know. The people them still married and them have 3 pit, you know. She just have a lot next, you know. But them say, like, you know, so the wedding, the work, but them say until this day, man, nobody not talk to him. All people never know the brother when them see him, them not talk to him. Now, man, some people just say some things, man, that the one them are really taking, you know, a wedding, you know. And when them convincing them, I say something good, you know.
Yeah, them say with so much confidence, man.
And when people shock, you see them, yeah, look like, awa.
Like, something wrong with everybody else.
Something say like, awa. And them there you are dead. To the 4 lines we go, engage with our wedding mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes, talk up, yes. Yes. Hello.
Raga?
Yeah, mama, there, man, I hear you.
Oh, I don't hear about the call at the time.
The helper that had called me about that incident, right?
Yeah.
Well, just so you know, you probably are aware that I called you several times and didn't get through, and then eventually I had Ruth call you, and Ruth got through, and Ruth, you know, just assured me that you were okay. I just wanted to know you were okay, and you said you were okay, and you just didn't want to.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, all right. Okay,
yeah.
So what's up? You're going to share something with me today?
No, I can't really share nothing right now with family.
Okay, all right. But you sure you're all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
How you sound, sir? How you sound?
Huh?
How you sound, sir?
I'm all right.
I saw you talk all the while. You talking that kind of, you know, talk like you're all right. But I don't know if I your natural voice that are.
What is this summertime?
Eh?
Is there summertime?
I just saw you talk in general. All the while I saw you talk. So everything all right. Nobody never moved to you about the look.
Hallowell, my there, so I can't really.
Where you there?
Hallowell.
Okay, all right then. All right, we just want to know, people, just so you know, the listeners, they want to know if you're okay and if everything all right and so.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so nobody never moved to you and cuss you about anything?
No, but I'm here.
Them here? Well, them must hear. But I'm sure them are going to hear.
Huh?
Yeah, them here and then what happened after them here?
That not really happen, but you know, it still happen.
What do you mean, what still happen?
Me have to call them, I can't really talk here, so.
Okay, but it still happen?
Yeah.
Okay, if I call you, will you talk to me?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to call you and you want to be alone and don't want to talk. But if I call
no,
you...
well, maybe you can talk about we come down Thursday.
Okay.
So.
All right, then somebody can call at them time and reason with you 1 hour then, right?
Yeah.
All right, then. Let's say a word. Here we just want to make sure say all right and everything. G,
all
yeah?
right.
All right, then. Blessings. For reason. Because we have your number, everything. So me call at them time there, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Cool. Yeah, for those of you who don't know what that is, that's the helper who had called about a matter, where, she ended up in a situation where several women, took advantage of her sexually. And I said women, about 4 women took advantage of her sexually. And so forth. Okay, engagement mix-up or wedding mix-up. Engagement mix-up or wedding mix-up. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what's up?
Long time listener, first time caller.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a sister. She live in England. She planned for marriage to this guy. She come to Jamaica, but every time she come to Jamaica, she care for a different man for married.
Hold on. Wait a second. Every time she come to
Jamaica, she care for a different man.
She carry up a different man for married?
A different young boy, because she love person younger than her.
Okay.
So every time she goes, a problem. She get married this guy first up there, a white guy. Then she married him for business.
Yeah.
And it happened that when she loved the guy, she wouldn't want to let him go. Right?
Yeah.
So the guy had to go to workplace and tell him, she'll take things and them catch her red and didn't so,
Yeah.
The guy get rid of her, right?
Yeah.
Anyhow, she come to Jamaica, she care for the next guy.
Yeah.
Next guy, she want him taking out extra tours also. If he carry the bag in them and she walk with her too long on. The boy and I agree with that. The boy left. She call immigration same time, not up yet. She can't care. This one now for married to him. 6 months him up there. Me and my next sister pay a plane fee everything.
Yeah.
Saturday the wedding, I will reach up Thursday. All if you know we reach up Thursday, reach up Wednesday, and Thursday night we're in the bed. So we not see him yet, Me sleep in our bed there. The girl start turn cross with the bed from one end to the end. No left no space to me. So I said, we should do that far, and my wedding come,
Yeah.
So I start to tell her that. I realize she cry, and I say, so now start pinch her out. She put the boy clothes in a rubbish pan, because him sleep out the night before the wedding.
Yeah.
And she put him clothes in a rubbish pan.
Voila. But you said the Thursday before the wedding, Saturday.
Right, Thursday. We got the Friday. You understand? But the boy have a problem before, right?
So, no. So when she put out in clothes?
The Friday.
The Friday.
Because he not sleep at the Friday. And she
okay, all right, yeah.
So she put him clothes in the rubbish pile. Them for them rubbish thing in England, the front page or so.
Yeah.
Then eventually when...
Then voila, the deal was that they not for separate for the night before.
No, them Shannon never have no plan or nothing.
Oh, Shannon never in on us. Because some people don't do that, Them
I don't know that make him do it like that to the boy just have woman. Like, the youth are jumping at something, not really young, And he not really want to do it.
Well, how old she is? How old is she?
She at the time she was like 40 and he was like 27.
Oh, okay. So
she never really want to do
so
it.
So she in her 40s and she has to pick up the young boy, them and bring them up.
She look young,
She look young.
She act young, I tell her that.
Okay, so be a young, I should say.
Right. Because she cute and dainty.
See it there.
So anyhow, when she put up him things and there was something that night, she start crying. In the morning, she want to call him back for the wedding and so. The youth say, nah, married and him not married. Jesus, she tell it down Poundway. Nothing at the house. We couldn't stay at the house. She lock out the eat a Poundway. cold and kill me.
Then when the backside she takes it pound, I guess we fly all the way from Jamaica for come out when she takes it pound.
Come back to Jamaica and care for another one.
And when the backside, yeah, tell me.
That one right them there, Jamaica get dip. When she buy one car, near before the wedding.
Well on, him get dip.
That one, the next one get dip.
Where him get dip for? Well on. Him did a hustle and get by tower.
Him always in a beat her and a war with her and him always in a sort of wrong thing, you know?
Yeah.
So he got caught and dip him.
And them dip
other
him,
one, where you put in Irishman, him get dipped, you know?
What?
Listen, she come meet her next one that is said, I look up and said here, Kingston 13.
Yeah.
She meet this next one now. The boy came to shop woman and take him and say, you know. She start plan wedding. Then say the boy father will be a man. And me say, Raga, me don't know what happened we broke up, but by the time the boy forgot the bed not plan, the boy kill us him now bother. I just pay married upon fair.
So wait, with that last one and how many that now she come down and a
Raga, me say 3 times she married already, you know. She married to a training father for the first and she a young girl.
3 times she married already.
Yeah,
so
for real. She married 3 times.
3 times.
She brown one, the training father and next guy. I don't know him.
And then how many other one then she did attempt to
3,
marry?
no, me know 3 where she attempt to marry.
Attempt to marry.
4 after the one where she put something else on, the next one because the same father of a man, and the one that get deep, right? And the next one, me say, but one of them never plan to marry.
Well on. Who this me attacking? This is who I think it is.
Yes, it's who we think it is.
Is a certain person's mother?
Yeah, I said certain
all right. We're not all right. That's our word. We understand.
Brother,
Then that's so she go hard.
Brother, and she still says she looking at man at Jamaica. She looking somebody for money.
Listen now. Why I need to call you otherwise you describe her to me so that me don't end up with her, you know. Cause
boy, you never find her. She live at London. She live at Chicken.
No, then she let me come down here and I step to me and all kind of arguments. Next thing you know, I think me find my wife.
She don't hear me that tell you. I tell you, she terrible up here married up. She make me feel a way.
You see it.
Turn across to the bed and now give me the way to lay down and she just show me some funny, you know.
And disrespect,
I don't know me, I don't know
I don't know you make sure that have the yo, I don't know your fault, make sure that have the
guy in our field, you understand? I love him half.
No, but me say, I know your fault, make sure that have the affit on you.
Right, so I don't know what I want. But she dominating, you know. She dominating. She born a month.
September. No, but September woman not damn. Well, let me tell you, September women need strong men in them midst or whatever. But
she wants to have the man beside her and she walk with her too long and then you know their way there.
Why these women don't learn that men in general now go stay with you if you don't make them feel like a man. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
What's up?
Yeah, Raga.
Whoa.
Long time listener, first time caller.
Yeah.
You're the wedding mix-up, you know.
Rinse.
2 old people get married at the church, right?
Yeah.
So they ask someone now to one of the sisters to bless the food.
Uh-huh.
And in the middle of the prayer, you know.
Yeah.
The woman just shout out, Father God, resurrect every organ in this man's body. Yeah. The big muscles like I know they're older than the 70s, you know? People have muscles in the church now and in the place now. People laughing, you know. You man, Lord Jesus, I hope I reach this so.
When the woman realizes what she says,
because you know she have that in her mind all along. So when did I tell people I get married? You know what you can? You know?
No, no, man, but that one that deserve a parliament big up, man. The parliament big up. So when you say she did that pray about the food? The food she had prayed about. I end up the 270 of the old people, and she end up and say, Father God, I beg you, Lord, resurrect every organ in this man's body. You know, say deep in her mind, she said, but when I get married, I can't do nothing else again. She beg God for a miracle. All right, blessings.
Yeah.
That mad. You can't imagine it, Michelle. Somebody I pray and I bless the food. And then your father and your grandfather. Yeah. And that, she probably look on the man and say, poor thing, he can't even manage to look more. She just said, I look up prayer up for him, for God, see what God can do for him, resurrect the dead. Father God, As you look down on this man, you pick up this burden upon him, and that's 70 a year old. And say, I'm going to marry again, Lord. And Lord, you know when people marry them, spend the wedding night, and we expect things to happen. So, Lord, you know I'm going to suffer some limitations and some obstacles. But, God, you're a good God. You're a wonderful God, and you work miracles. So, God, I'm asking you, resurrect every bone in our body. Resurrect every organ in our body, God. Let him stand up in the name of Jesus.
You know them say God no come when you want him, but he's always on time. Make her God no come when she hear. Why won't these dry bones live?
I'm actually can't them. Yeah, we're going to we're so forward. Yeah, welcome back up in I sitting with the pan engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up. Yeah, people, I just get one mix-up. Me don't know how it go. But me hear say, one entertainer bring woman go Port Royal yesterday. And the entertainer already have baby mother at Port Royal. And drama bust out between the woman when bring and the baby mother. I mean, say the whole of Port Royal that kill the baby, the woman when bring with lick. Me say them mash her up wicked. And then them start say to the entertainer, say, oh, you don't even go like you want part in the fight and anything. And me say them box up the entertainer. Then give him quite a few bucks and beer things and things. Beat up the entertainer. Me say Port Royal beat up the entertainer. Mash up in car and thing. And me say the entertainer have a party one next entertainer. I need the names. I need the names because I have to update my file. So I need the names. That drama that was going to Port Royal yesterday with that entertainer, bring him girl over there and him have a baby mother over there already and drama bust on them base and them bust up the girl and box up the entertainer. The whole of Port Royal beat him up, mash him up and all him party with me. So he's the next. But them, me not get no names. I need the names. So if anybody know the name, you just call in, we play a song, and then we just go and then get the names, right? We don't need to say the names on radio. I just need them because I'm me and the king of Mixup. And we keep people files. You understand? Anybody have the proper goods or sell down Mixup there from Port Royal yesterday. But the entertainer will bring a girl go over there and the entertainer already have a baby mother over there. And me say the baby mother and I linking him and the whole of Port Royal go shell down the girl with a couple bucks and kick to her structure and be a sitting. I mean, say the entertainer never did a part of the fight. I mean, say them servicing him up too. You understand? And give him several entrees. You understand? And thing, I mean, say Alfine party and thing get brushed up wicked too. I need to know what go down there, so. Okay. All right. Okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon to my ex-friend, lover.
Okay, Miss Telma. How are you?
I'm below you.
Okay, but
You feel quite content about it.
No, I'm not content about it, Miss Telma. I remembered your birthday, and I made mention of it.
You never remember somebody remind you about it.
No, Miss Telma, I came in here. You're what, 86 years old now?
Yeah. No, 86 years young.
86 years young. I stand corrected, Miss Telma.
Right.
You are 86 years young right now.
86.
86 and still going strong, Miss Telma.
And I'm proud of my age.
And I hope you're behaving yourself and not going to dances and parties and those things, you know.
What is it?
I said I hope you're behaving yourself and not going out to dances and parties at night.
I don't go in the night, but I enjoy myself at home because other friends come and spend the time with me and enjoy myself right on my veranda.
Okay, Miss Telma, okay.
And you never come, but people come. Everybody who come back and say, wait, what happened to Raga? I said, I don't know, he's quite busy and engaged, you know.
No, but Miss Telma, you know, so our things set different, you know, Miss Telma. All right?
You try to sweet me up here?
No, but not sweet you up,
Miss Telma. You see my name Gladys?
No. No, you're not named Gladys. Your name is Telma.
You don't frighten over words, you know.
No, you don't frighten over words.
I know words, you know, and I can't pass words to you, know.
No, but Miss Telma, you can't. Your mouth not sweet like my mouth, Miss Telma. You don't have lyrics like me.
You have to learn from me.
No, Miss Telma, you don't have lyrics like me, man. Miss Telma, I can tell you the things and just mess up your head, you know, Miss Telma.
I can tell anything too.
Like what, Miss Telma?
I can spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
No, I wasn't saying spelling of Mr. I just said I can tell you little things. I can tell you all kind of romantic things that just make your head go crazy, Miss Thelma.
Well, thank you for your sweet word, all the same.
Okay.
But you can't tell me with your sweet word.
But Miss Thelma, like, you didn't have any lyrics, like when you were being romantic and you were courting and so forth. You didn't have any nice things that you would say.
I didn't know how to make love.
You what?
I could teach you how to make love.
You could teach me how to make love?
Yeah.
No, Miss Thelma, I find that very presumptuous and rude of you to even think that I'm not capable of taking care of myself in that portfolio.
Because these love nowadays is just it don't last, you know. I can't teach about lasting love.
Okay, what are some of the things we need to know about lasting love? I mean, teach me how to make love, Miss Thelma.
Well, you must show respect. You must show respect to your lover.
Right.
And your lover must show respect to you.
Right.
You two, both of you must be understanding.
Right.
And not everything you must make fuss over. You must all put some things aside.
Okay.
For two wrongs cannot make one right.
There you go.
You know?
Right.
And you must control your temper.
Right.
And teach your wife or teach your lover good.
Okay.
Give her good things and she give you good things too.
Wonderful. It must be mutual. Okay.
Exchange thought with each other. Make fun, laugh and talk with each other.
Okay.
Don't have a gloomy looks.
Okay.
Sometimes things will come between the both of you, but just put it apart and go forward, you know?
Right, Mr. Elmer. I see.
Well, first of all, I must say good afternoon to Sister Ruth and Michelle.
Okay. Michelle?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, Sister Ruth still maintains that nice, loving voice I like to you when she speaks to me, you know?
That is because she's wicked.
What?
That is because she's a wicked.
You always like to put down people.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Miss Thelma, listen to me. Michelle and Sister Ruth, they're both wicked.
No. Come on. Honestly, it's just you is just words speaking, but not deeds done.
Huh? What you know about me, Miss Thelma?
Then for many years, I must know something about you. But first of all, I don't even go that way. All right. Leave that. What I really call you about, you see?
Yeah.
First of all, I must return thanks to all who send me those kind words, greetings, and, gifts and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Because right now, I'm still entertaining with some of the gift. Not gift to look on, but put intake in my body, you know?
Yeah.
I get some nice intake towards my body, you know?
Right.
So I thank everybody who really,
Right.
Not only the things to get, but the loving words,
Okay.
Would you believe me that from 5 o'clock Monday morning, I've been getting phone call.
Okay, Mr.
I was in my deep sleep, and the first call I get is from Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth. I live by the name of Dawn. She don't know me, and I don't know her. But they listen to you. You have keen listeners, It's that everybody calling to your program, but they listen very much,
I know, Mr. Elmer, I know.
Anywhere I go, even taxi, anywhere I go, my name is always, your name is always call up with me,
Okay.
Sometimes I'm going to taxi.
But Miss Thelma, you just said anywhere you go, my name is always called up with you, and that just demonstrates, Miss Thelma, Miss Thelma, that just demonstrates you belong to me.
No, I am not belong to you again because you are all over. I am getting old according to you,
No, Miss Thelma,
but I accept what I get from
Miss
you.
Thelma, you belong to me.
All right, Gladys.
You... You think you're nice. All right, Miss Thelma, we're going to get
I don't finish it,
Okay, Miss Thelma, finish up quick there for me.
Yes. And you was talking about, I can't give you total experience about what I experienced with the wedding,
Okay, Miss Thelma, tell me them quickly.
With wedding and lover.
Okay.
Some years ago, I was raised out by Sandy Gully there, by a proxy there. There's a church before Sandy Gully there.
Right.
One early morning around 8 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Well, from about 8 to 9.
Uh-huh.
we saw a car drive up with a bride to be in it.
Yeah.
So, curious bystander go out to watch when the bride comes out of the car, till she entered the church.
Right.
And she was there from around 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. The groom don't turn up.
From 9 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock and the groom not turn up.
Well, at the time when she was quite exhausted, they took her out the church and carried her and drive her around and come back.
Hold on. But she never inside at the church, like, she did around at the vestry or somewhere?
No, she was inside the church sitting down waiting for the bridegroom to come in.
The bride go in and wait for the bridegroom for coming?
Yeah. And the husband to be then.
Then Miss Thelma, she an idiot. She don't know, so she don't go into the church until the groom in there wait for her.
Well, I don't know the proceeding because I never go before the pastor, I go behind the pastor.
What But if I'm right for no go because when the backside she are doing at the church and wait for the Miss Thelma.
Well, anyway, she was there.
Yeah.
And then and she started to cry and think and get exhausted. And they took her out and drive her around and come back.
Yeah.
And she came back. I know the bride, the husband to be don't turn up. And they have to just leave the church and go back home.
Yeah.
So that was one thing about it.
Oh Lord, that was
very awful.
That's very embarrassing, Mister.
Very embarrassing. Very bridesmaid and everybody turn up,
I know groom not turn up and think you sit down in there and you go and favor puppy show.
Exactly. Well, this one now.
Yes, Mister.
I think I tell you already, but I don't remember if I did tell you.
Okay, let's hear it.
When I was a little girl.
Yes.
Was living next door to our neighbor.
Yes, Mister.
And one day we heard some liquor going to a woman in the house next door.
Hold on. You heard what?
Some blow lick.
Some lick. What the lick them did a connect, right?
The man that beat the woman.
So you heard some liquor move to a woman next door. Some liquor connect. Yeah.
I when we run and look.
Yeah.
The man in there tore some blows at the woman and the woman not crying.
Mm-hmm.
She would not take the whole part and run all about and take the blows.
Yeah.
And when the man tore the last heavy blow on her, he said to her, come out. Me no want you. Go away. Me no want you. At that time, when the woman bawled out and said, do Robbie. Beat me but no run me.
Beat me but no run me. That's what she said.
The ball said, do Robbie, beat me but no run me.
Beat me but no run me.
She also all the liquid what she take never mean anything to her, but she don't want him run.
Don't want him run.
Some woman,
Yeah.
Yeah. If they make man take advantage of them,
Yeah. Because it sounds to me like that she brought her to stay there and take the lick down to leave.
Because with me now, if a man ever wants thank God for that man never put it on as me yet. But if you should do it one time, do it the second time.
What you not do, Miss Thelma?
I would leave.
Oh, you would leave.
I would leave.
You would have clot him back, Miss Thelma?
Yeah?
You want to whap him back one?
No.
No?
No, I don't fight back. I don't have that bad temperament. I'm just a peaceful woman.
Okay.
I would just tell. But by the way, before I get, is that I was going to say to you, my daughter, you see?
Yeah.
Called me this morning.
Uh-huh.
And said, I must get on to you and tell you that she enjoyed your show this morning. I don't know what it was this morning.
It was on TV on CVM at Sunrise. Yes.
And she said to tell you that your jeans fell off.
Okay.
And she said she want to keep me with that jeans and give it to her husband.
She want to steal my jeans and give it to her husband.
She ought to do a laugh, you see.
Okay, but tell her that wouldn't be a good idea because then I'd be naked.
Yes, she said you look good. You're sell off, man.
Oh, thank you, Miss Thelma.
But you always look good everything,
Miss Thelma, you are blind. Or you know if me look good?
No, I could. If I wouldn't see you, I wouldn't see you what you're born. But according to the sentiments of others, I would feel pleased about you, Oh.
So based on what people say about me, you know how I look then, right?
Yeah, man, because I glanced at you some years ago,
Okay.
You're big and fat and clumsy, and that's why everybody loves you, so.
I'm a big and fat and plumpy.
I have been laughing at you, some people shedding tears for you,
Uh-huh.
on the radio,
Okay.
But anyway, just keep sweet as you are.
Thank you so much, Miss Thelma, and you stay sweet too.
And I'm still all the people of Fraser's content because we are going Fraser's
Fraser's content. I know. Fraser's content, Ebony and all them place them and John's and all them place.
Come here.
No.
Talk to Raga.
No.
Raga.
Oh, all right, darling. How you do?
You fell off this morning, man. Your teens look good.
I lie.
Yeah, man. You look good, man.
For real?
You look good. Yeah,
For real, may occur.
Yeah, man. Yeah, occur. You look very nice.
Listen, thank you.
This morning.
Thank you. You appreciate that. Blessings and respect.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah, man. Protection and strength. I take care of mommy there for me. Yeah.
Cool,
all right, then. Cool.
Yeah.
I guess that's it. That's Miss Thelma. For those of you who don't know, I get it. I always have to remind you because Miss Thelma has been with us since way back from Hot 102 days and thing, and I support the thing and so forth, and we give thanks indeed. And again, she's now 86 years old. She just had her birthday at the beginning of December. She's 86 years old and blind, but full of spunk and energy and charisma. And just one of the most infectious sense of humor you can be exposed to. And she's always making an effort to make people laugh and to make them happy. And she's a joy to be around and just an inspirational example that, irrespective of what obstacles or trials or tribulations you may experience, and irrespective of what age you might reach or what kind of physical limitation you might have with respect to her blindness, it is no reason to just surrender to depression and to surrender to, just like the negativity that unfortunately some people reach 60 and them surrender to. Miss Thelma, man, full of energy, full of vibes, and always an inspiration to others who say, listen, when I'm her age, I want to be like her. I want to have that attitude when I'm her age. Wonderful indeed. To the phone line to go. Engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Long-time listener, first-time caller. Raga, I would like your honest opinion on this.
Yeah.
I live with my baby father for 3 years.
Yeah.
No, not 3 years. 8 years, Raga.
8 years.
I have a son for him.
Yeah.
My son is 3.
Yeah.
I live by myself, and him live by himself.
Yeah.
Raga, 2 months ago, I hear that him there with a go-go.
Yeah.
I asked him say no go to Raga.
Uh-huh.
Him always give me money a week time, but
Yeah.
him not working. So I say I sell him weed or whatsoever. Anyway, what year? I go around the house, I'm there with him.
Yeah.
Him brother talk to a go-go too.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, may I hear you, man?
Hello?
Yeah, man, you not hear me?
Raga?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Hello? Hello? Did you have that caller's number? Huh? Call her back there for me. You have her number, Ruth? All right, then call her back there for me and thing because she probably waited and things, so we want to give her a chance to talk and so forth and so forth. Okay, we about the caller? Yes, caller, yes.
Yeah, Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, after me hear him there with the go-go, Raga, I go in yard.
Yeah.
I see some clothes in the house, in a one bag.
Yeah.
Hide.
Yeah.
So I say, who for clothes them here? I say, I'm brother baby mother clothes, but I know say brother baby mother no some maga.
Yeah.
Anyway, I cut up the clothes them, Raga, and fling back the bag underneath the bed. Only before I reach me, I call me and ask me, I cut up in brother baby mother clothes. I say, look here, I know say it's not your brother baby mother clothes, so don't tell me no foolish. A matter of fact, it's over. Raga?
Yeah.
The man reach me all. Start ball and tell me, say, him just chat to the girl to get money, Raga.
So him just chat to the go-go for get money? So him just chat to the go-go for get money?
Yeah, Raga, because she dance at night time and she give him the money.
Okay.
On weekend when she get paid.
Okay.
So, Raga, I don't know if I true my talk or I don't know if I believe him or I just left and go on, Raga. What do you your opinion?
Yeah, so I get the money from the go-go and I'm mine.
Yeah.
And I'm mine. So, what you say about that one, Michelle?
Is it a case where if I didn't know, say, I go and I get the money from you, that cool with it?
No, she knows no.
She know no,
Yeah.
and she cool with it now? Or
No,
them
I'm not cool with it. I want to leave, but he must say he love me and he know I leave and it not going to happen forever.
I just till him get a work or so till things start out.
Would I say give him a chance? Because I can't see him that do it for the greater good, you know? Give him a chance, man.
Yeah, so give him a chance.
Yeah, man.
All right, darling, I won't tell you what to do, yeah?
No, Raga, more your opinion.
No, but I'm going to be honest with you that, you see, once picnic involved and them, some of them, it worth making a strong effort to make it work, and it may require some forgiveness. And of course, him have to step up in game and then show you the respect where you want. My instinct is don't leave your man. Not now. You right? Remember, him not beat you, him not do nothing wicked to you or whatever. And as bad as things is him out there juggling with a girl, him obviously not forget you, and him not forget him pitney or whatever. But so you don't have to just come to an agreement now. You have to make it clear to him. What is it?
Make it clear, say him have woman Raga.
No. What may I say? You have to make it clear to him. What you do? You want him left to go?
Yeah, more I'm left to go and go look work. But him matter about nothing can't go on.
Alright, let me ask you something. In the meantime, before him get to work, you want him go and take money from the go?
No, more I'm left for no.
Then if him left for no, the money where him and the money now go run, you cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you
But him not cool with that.
Him not cool with that?
No, him want the money.
Okay, well it sounds like it's your choice then, you know. If you have to know where you can work with and where you can't work with, you know. And you know. But you may talk to him now and put on your foot doing that, and he may say, alright, since you definitely want me left for me, left for
yeah,
you know.
If him honest enough to tell you why him got this and whatever, you know, give it a chance, man.
No, I mean talk to him, because if him know say you're serious, he may say, alright, man, I go put the go in front of you and me youth and then Lego, you know. So give him a talk. I not just cut some. When I say give him a talk and see how him deal with it after you give him the talk, yeah? Alright, that's our word, man. And all the best between you, him and, and your youth, yeah? Yeah, man, bless you. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, hello. Okay, we're going to break. We're soon forward. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the set now. It's a Mixup and Blenda straight with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, large upon yourself indeed, people. All right, juggle up in us, we mix up them same way. Engagement and wedding mix-up, or that with upon any other sample mix-up on have I want call in and reach, just send them on here to the flipping world. Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello. Greetings.
Where's the boss?
There I know, my king.
Boy, me a hold on so long with two hands to rotting. I one finger me gone down to. But here I know.
Yeah.
I want big up the man who's supposed to get married Sunday.
Yeah.
I know him, checks everything still on.
Yeah.
The woman not tell him nothing.
What the woman not tell him?
Say it put off.
The way they put off?
Yeah, but him don't know. But here the best part I as somebody with me know still, you know, not a man.
Yeah.
She said, boy, I'm a virgin them for just come beat some juice. Just come drink out some of my juice then.
What you mean, right now or upon the day of the wedding?
Sunday, man.
Sunday? So what makes you not tell him then?
Why, I don't know what's going on, my brother, but I can't get in at that, you understand? Because I can't give him nothing.
Then him have him all him suit and everything.
Everything, then she not carry down the things I'm feeling, man.
From foreign? But she not gonna marry him?
She not married and she not tell him.
But well, you have people who talk about them now go to get married and then get married, you know.
Well, yeah, that would be true.
Yeah, some people clear all the night before them now. You believe her with that one?
Yeah, man, because it's like when me, try to get things from her, she say, boy, I love that. She don't want to get into that. And she feels she better off with what she do, you know.
Then well, you know why she not married?
Well, as I said, I don't want to let out too much thing, you understand?
Otherwise, people are going to know the 100. All right. Then you can't pinch you and look apart.
No, you'll have to come out for the year for that.
Oh, okay. Then anything proper.
Yep, what I mean, man.
Okay. I know famous people.
Eh?
I don't know about the famous.
No, man.
Okay. No. If I saw a thing set, I saw a thing set. But it's sticky upon him still because him did a plan for big wedding this Sunday. And don't even know.
Got the whole of him burns with them line up too.
A lie?
What you mean a lie?
So the whole of him...
That's something supposed to happen Sunday.
So the whole of him side of family them lucky.
Tell him how you...
Yeah, but hold on, tell her to be careful, you know. With all due respect, I know I love to say certain things on the radio, but them things that make people do some certain things, you know. So you see, she not do it.
She not do it, man. If you come drink out some of my juice.
No.
You check for that, I go on?
No, but what me I say, Daddy? Yo, if I better she tell him before than go make the man turn up and embarrass with relatives and all them people.
The last time I talked to her, which was Friday, she not tell him nothing. And to how she behave is as if she fed up with what happened, so she not gonna tell him. Because she said she ain't talk and she just hang up the phone and say bye, that's it.
So why? Did I burn her or something?
Why? As I say, she give me a hint,
yeah.
But what she tell me no feel like that.
You don't feel like that?
Yeah, she know what really tell me what go down, you understand?
Yo, but big and serious though. Yo, she fit, nah man, she fit tell him before Sunday, yo.
Well, as I say, the last time I talked
you can't imagine you want to turn up in your relatives, and even if your mother and father alive, them turn up on you.
She'd all invite me at the winter, you know.
No, sir, John, no, mother. No, me not lie. Mother been wicked. Me I turn up Sunday and do still and everything.
I'm some of them juice still, so.
You gotta drink some of the juice.
I mean, I'm not gonna drink some. The one for them.
All right, Papa. Don't say, well, you know him?
No, I see pictures of him.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know if I talk to.
Because any of you didn't know, you know.
But
and you did it. I drink up my liquor from my
that.
wedding. I know say wedding I go on and then I beat up the liquor from my wedding. With there my wedding and then you come back and give me a
no, I won't do that.
Okay, all right then. Papa.
No, what I say, a deeper thing than that. Me have an idea what go down.
Yeah.
But as I say, me don't want to get involved.
And then, and of course, the idea relating to like look at burning.
Yeah?
Your idea related to burning, don't it?
Related to what?
The idea where you have it has something to do with burning. Your guess where you
No. None of that. I something foolish to come up with.
And then,
but as I say, I don't want to talk.
Then pinch you something. Just give you a little piece of morsel. Then give you a little morsel for nibble upon them and in terms of your idea.
No, no matter my idea, you know, what she said.
All right, then, so then give a look piece.
She claims her husband.
Yeah.
A young boy still, you know, but she claims him sick.
What do you mean her husband?
Well, shouldn't say her husband. Her fiancé then.
Oh, so him sick?
She claims him sick. But the way how she says him sick, I know that's a foolishness.
Oh.
As I said, I don't want to get in. I don't nothing to do with sexual business. You understand?
Okay. So what you think of it then?
I think I lie.
I lie, she
think something go down.
Yeah.
Because she did probably want something with somebody else, so she used that.
Okay.
You understand? To get that man there.
Oh,
to marry that man there. But she realized the man was she that deal with before. Now, appear in her mind now, because she figure more or less when she tell the man that, he might say, boy, babes, don't bother with this and that. You see what I deal with?
Oh.
So she use that now for say, boy, she can get married and figure more or less the man go, so boy, I say, don't bother with that and them things.
Oh, so she feel like...
So she whap it back. So I said, man, no, she call and I tell her, boy, it put off.
Oh, so you feel like she did that. She really like a one man and then go tell her next one she married him. So she didn't want the one where she like, she want to tell him she get married now for him. Say, no, let go that and come marry me.
Right.
And then when that car then I work.
It's like the man, I said, no, it's like the man, I said, no, boy, babes, me engaged now, you know.
Yeah.
So me not going to let go my engagement for deal with what I go on and now. So just allow that.
Oh, so him engaged one away too?
No, man. No, they had the man in before, the man where she did one.
Yeah.
She a whap it back on him now.
Yeah.
And him I tell her, I say, him engaged.
You know that man say him engaged now?
But him not really engaged. Him just I use back that at her.
Him I use back that pan her? So the two of them I play some wicked games with one another.
That's it.
And then, but she I use somebody in the whole process too.
Right. I mash up theme heavens now.
Oh, cause she didn't want fear card for sound so convincing that when the plan. So then right down to the end, she said she can't bother her because I not really him she want.
But I said, she shouldn't do that because she do all her friends them from foreign come down to, you know. Poor them know.
Oh.
Because what happens is that them buy up ticket already.
Yeah.
But you know, so you can't get your phone off a ticket.
Well, it depends on the ticket. It depends on the ticket where you buy.
Well, them they don't pay a fee already.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So she has said, boy, I said, then why not call them and make them know? She has said, boy, she try and make it up back to them. So me look like...
No, but she sound very trivial about the whole thing, man.
As I say, I know some little thing, but I can't talk something by here. See what I deal with you, boy?
All All right, let's say a word there. We'll see what I want to pan out here.
Yeah, man. Me make a note, go.
Please do.
Cool.
All right, then, cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Jaga.
Yeah, what's up?
Not much. I have 2 Mixup. I don't even know which one to tell you.
Box me now. What's it not with the two of the right away? Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have this girl, you know,
Uh-huh.
living in my community.
Yeah.
Because I go and hype on everything in a Raga.
Yeah.
You know, eat certain things and, you know,
Yeah.
while I say, I say artist girl around town.
Yeah.
Like, but me, she not talk to me. She not deal with certain people she not deal with.
Yeah.
But me and I want her sister friend.
Yeah.
Me hear from her sister say she got married, Raga, from me. I say, yeah. I hype with then, because we or she go on.
Yeah.
See her with the most hype.
Yeah.
So everybody look out for the big invitation and the most hypeness.
Uh-huh.
But at the time, Raga, we have this Adventist church, we have this crusade. You know them time when they have them crusade?
Yeah.
From one ball field near where we live.
Yeah.
So Raga, after that no Raga, one night, like one Wednesday night, the ears say whistle over church, over the tent in the Raga.
Mm-hmm.
So we know we are going fast because we live near. Me and my sister go over there, Raga.
Yeah.
Only sister, she and the man that she lives with in front of the pastor, Raga.
Yeah.
We couldn't believe because I said, "Ratty." Raga, at 8 o'clock the wedding start.
See,
the night.
Uh-huh.
Afterwards, Raga, when we look, the pastor say, so in the part where them say the place the ring,
Yeah.
when you take a stock, Raga,
Yeah.
the piece of thread, them and the part of a roll up and put on the finger. Raga, I couldn't believe it. My sister bust a big laugh.
Piece of thread.
After piece of thread, Raga.
Then use as the ring.
Use as the ring. When
Piece
the
of thread.
Ring. Thread.
Uh-huh.
Raga thread with upon reel. Thread with 4 clothes.
Uh-huh.
After that, Raga them kiss and after that them say them married.
Uh-huh.
And she go and hype them married and so what.
Uh-huh.
Raga, I never expect that for her. Expect big wedding and reception and beer things. See
Mm-hmm.
how she go and hype. Raga, the next thing.
Yeah.
I know this girl.
Mm-hmm.
The next week, I know this girl, she dance. She a dancer.
Yeah.
And she used to be my neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
And to meet this man, to meet this soda man.
Yeah.
So she said, soda man, love her off and thing and one. She stopped doing what she do and I'm going to take care of her.
Yeah.
So Raga, she gone, she come home and she stopped dancing and engaged her Raga. 7 years now it ago. And I know the wedding can't plan.
7 years?
I know she can. 7 years now, Raga. Engaged to her and I know. And because she started hype and said, man, let me stop dancing and be things.
Mm-hmm.
Man, let me stop dancing. I'm going to take care of her. I'm going to marry to me. Raga, 7 years now she engaged and I know the invitation.
7 years now and I know nothing can happen.
I know.
Why? So, you know, say you have a whole heap of people out there in a position. And it's not only man who engage woman that have them a wait long, you know. You have some woman that make the man wait long. You have a whole heap of man out there ready, you know, and the woman them just have them like puppy shoe.
Brother, my best advice to them, when a man engaged to you, though, I wait till, not even with invitation, wait for the wedding day. Wait till you get married.
For real, though?
Yeah.
Okay, words of wisdom right there. All right, the blessings. Let me take our next call, yeah.
No, brother, big up my sister when we were engaged ring and she don't married. She don't engage.
Shall we engagement ring and she don't engage?
No, yes, brother.
No, man, I want to woman do that for y'all keep off man and them.
Raga, I mean, say engagement ring, make your hand look official, Raga. I want me independent, I can buy more than engagement ring. I know nothing. Some girl can buy their own engagement ring.
No, voila, me I keep it real. Me I keep it real, though. But but that sticky pan, yeah, where you walk on an engagement ring for a man to give you none.
I can't afford it, Raga, make my hand look
It no matter about you make your hand look neat and make your hand look professional and official and whatever. It make it sticky pie. But the man never give it to you.
No, but me I get more than ring from the man. Me I get money, Raga. Money for money too. Raga.
Then wait. Then what him no? Then him not say yeah we engagement ring where him no give you.
Of course, he never problem with that. And he give me money.
Okay, so why you are wearing an engagement?
Right.
Why you are wearing an engagement?
I tell people say yeah, I him do it.
What?
Time me and him go.
Voila. So screechy upon him then. No screechy upon him then.
No man, I'm having for myself over there, Raga.
Yo, but alright, so if him step hold on though, if him step to you and give you an engagement ring though, you take it though, don't?
Of course, I'm cash to go around to Raga.
No, but what? You're wicked. Cause of the money you said, no?
Of course, money Mr. Raga.
Okay, but so what? So really cash for your goal?
Of course, I have my good up money, Raga, more from it, because I don't want it done.
You work?
So you don't know.
What you say about work?
I say I work, I have my good up money, I have to invest for it, I can't make it done.
So the money where you get a man, you get it from, some money you get it from doing. Any money you get a man.
No, Raga, you have it wrong, Raga, my work, you know, I tired, I rest down, Raga, my work, and save up some amount of money in the Raga.
Okay.
So any man come in, I have to come with them dirty money to invest for that, because I don't want it done.
Alright, what me I said was, on a different level. But I like you spend some of my money for me, you know. What you say?
Yeah, man, Raga, you have your good up money.
You want to spend our money for me?
No, Raga, you don't need more money, Raga.
No. Hold on.
No. On TV this morning, Raga, and I see you look like a diver, not even gold, Raga.
No, man, what me I say?
Alright.
Yo, what me I say? What me I said, why? Me not ask you for the whole of your work, I'm gonna be so wicked and unconscionable, you know. But just I say carry me out 2 times and spend a change, man.
Like when you want to go, Raga, like which way you like to go, enjoy yourself, Raga.
Me not first in a nice restaurant, I look at dance and movies and things and whatever.
So I could go on a back road then, no? Sunday.
Back road Sunday? Why back road?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Then that's Sunday thing that we are going at the club, man. When you Karuba.
Oh, you mean Stone Love thing?
Eh?
You know, it's Stone Love have them anniversary on there, don't it?
No, that Sunday here, no, I know they have one every month, it's still a Sunday. Some Sunday business around there.
All right. So what you say, you want to go back road? All right, but I tell you straight and plain, if I go back road, I want to look at something, you know, yes.
No, Raga, I don't enjoy myself, I just come here, Raga, I don't understand that.
Then what you want to say now, look at something?
No, man, man.
No, but differently still, you know, let me tell you now. You say, hold on, you're not. No, I know you love your man, but when I say, see if you rinse it, if you know, I'm not talk.
Raga, I don't want to talk or not talk, Raga. Even if I give you a look at something, Raga, do the man if I talk, but when I say right now, I'm lock, Raga. I have somebody lock, and we have to like that. Like Angel, my name is like Angel and Beanie, man, Raga. So, you understand what I say?
That means you want to argue one another bond then?
Well, I don't know what you're doing, you know. Okay. But for right now, I'm not giving my bond because, as I say, the money right.
All right. The money right. And from the money right, you're not bond your man.
Yeah, and him not listen and him not like me. So, everything all right so far.
You know what? I don't wrong you. Listen, you passed the test. I'm proud of you. Respect your man, yeah, man, and go and hold it same.
Yeah, I'm big up the man I married last month.
Don't burn him.
Him I look crazy.
Big up the man with what?
We married last month,
yeah.
And him stone drop out a ring when he married the ring, and him I use newspaper and light and I look for his stone. Tambourine!
And him I light newspaper and I look for his stone.
Yes, Raga, and I'm barrel. Man, it's up to him. I help a man lift up one barrel.
Barrel, I look. All right, you take care of yourself, yeah? That's our word. Okay, give me a last call and idea. Hello?
Hello, it's better to be last than none at all.
Why, Miss 69, why you always are coming on the end?
I've been waiting on you, sir.
No, you should have make Ruth bring you in early, man.
Well, I've been trying since 2 o'clock.
Okay, but when Ruth should have known that she should bring you in early.
Well, this show is fantastic, Raga.
Why, thank you.
And there's a lot of people calling in, and this is overbound and making it worse. This week is going to be a high week.
Why is this week a high week?
Because we saw that body on TV this morning.
Oh, you mean me?
I saw a lovely body that I haven't seen for a long time.
Okay.
And I said, yeah.
And what did you say when you saw my body, miss?
I'd like to just touch it.
You'd like to touch my body?
Yes, just use my fingers and just touch certain places.
And touch certain places
points,
on my...
Yes, sensitive points.
Listen, I keep on forgetting your age, you know. We call you Miss 60...
Hey. Put it away.
No. We just... No.
Don't come into this.
Hold on. I know. I just keep forgetting it. I just need to be reminded. No. I'm not disrespecting you or anything. Just remind us of your age. I just want to...
Because I've still got delicate, sensitive fingers.
I know. I just remind us of your age. Just remind.
I am 73.
You're not 73.
Next year, May, I'm 74.
Next what?
Next year, May, I'm 74.
Okay, so you're 73 right now. So
yeah.
What you're saying about touching my body now?
I know where to touch and which finger to use. And I know that will just melt you.
Okay. And
But you look wonderful this morning.
Well, thank you. That's really sweet of you.
Yes, I had to sit down and look because I had some calls to say that you were there.
Oh, I see.
You see, there are certain people who don't want me to miss anything, and they're on the right track. They're on my side.
Okay, so they called you and informed you that I was on the television this morning.
I said that, I keep switching from one station to the other. I said, I heard it. I heard the vibe. So I prepare myself and sit there.
Okay. And
you look good, Raga.
And you would like to touch me?
Yes, don't put any more weight on, will you?
Don't put any more weight on?
No.
Okay.
No, you look just juicy, like a Jamaican delicious fruit.
I look just juicy like a Jamaican delicious fruit?
Yes.
Would you like to eat this fruit?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, yes.
I would eat the fruit. If I eat it, it's gone. I won't have it again.
No, okay. It would be some
I
good...
like to have it around me.
Yes, it would be some good roughage for you.
I like to have it around me.
You like to have it around you?
Yes, to touch it.
But Miss 69, I keep telling you can't handle this, man.
I can't handle what?
You can't handle this, man. Miss 69, I would slip a disc in your back and send you into the emergency room, Miss 69.
Look here, Roger.
What?
I would be such an effect on you. Even just looking at me and looking in my eyes. You just melt. So I don't know what kind of effect. I don't think I will get anything out of you because you just melt.
No, Miss 69, you're a lot of talking, Miss 69.
It's not talking.
Miss 69, Miss 69, you and me I play Dandy Shandy on your side two times.
Hey, look here.
Huh?
You should, you should have tried,
I should have tried.
Yes, I wanted to try.
Miss 69, careful now because Mrs. 69, you're making people know certain things that happened, So are you being open with? No, you're saying that I should have tried. So you're making it known that you actually made advances at me and I didn't try, right?
Well, someone actually told me that a few weeks ago. I said to someone, have you listened to Raga show? And when he was at 93 FM, he said, oh, yes. I said, have you ever heard of this lady, Miss 69? She said, oh, yes.
No. What I'm saying is...
with him,
No, what I'm saying is some people didn't know that you actually are serious, and that you made some effort to have me in that position. And I said, no.
Well, I wouldn't let Jamaica know that for truth.
No, but you just did.
No, they still don't know. They're still if and voting. I wonder, maybe...
Miss 69, you just said I should have tried and that I was a coward in not accepting your offer. You just said that.
But they don't believe that. They don't believe me.
They don't believe it?
No, I don't think, because they don't know what to believe from me, because most times I talk, they laugh.
Yeah, I know about that. It's not.
Yeah.
But Miss 69, they say me a boy right now, I can't manage swivel arranging.
Me, I tell you, I can manage something as big as a butterball turkey.
Okay.
Yes, I bought a lovely one in my freezer for Christmas.
All right, then, Miss 69.
But rather, really, to be serious now, I was very pleased to see you this morning.
Okay.
Because it's a long time I haven't seen you, and you look very well. And I'm pleased to see that you are really taking care of yourself, because you look good.
All right, then, Miss 69. Yes, Miss 69.
Yes, and I hope... tell me, whereabouts is it nationwide in Kingston?
It's on Manningsville Road.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Is that Constant Spring or Halfway Tree going that way?
Yeah, it's from Halfway Tree coming. We have to leave now. The tech-up people are telling. But if you go up Constant Spring Road, then it runs off the left off Constant Spring Road. Yeah?
Oh, yes.
All right?
Yes.
Okay, Miss 69. Yes. I gotta go now. They're being mad at me here, so I have to leave now.
And you take care and keep up with the good work and your wonderful show, and all the blessings with you.
The feelings are exceedingly mutual, Miss 69. Do take care of yourself.
Yes, bless you.
Chris Cross and Michelle, what want to do on the group? Chris Cross is what?
Orange,
Okay, that's it. Shut up. That's it. All right. Take care of yourself out the road, Mr. Protection and Strength. Boom, bang.
Cartel, what are you been to beat them bad?
Baby, you got the body when me looking for.